So, when the UPS guy recognizes your name and address and knows it by heart, you're probably spending too much money online. In this case, however, I think we did something right, as this looks like it's a box of swag from Stop Paving Dirt Roads. Scott Dawson in Okeechobee created a website that is all adventure bike themed. He has all kinds of cool shirts and hats and all kinds of other merchandise. I would highly recommend you check it out, and we'll go see what's in here and have a little fun with it. Thank you, Scott. You're the man. Yeah! Truer words have never been spoken. There is so much more stuff in here. We're in the garage. New bike, new hat, and lots of new shirts. Okay, let's go.